How to sign out of Google account on Android. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can remove your Google account from your Android device. For this, you want to open up your settings. Now, scroll down and find the option of accounts. In my device, it says accounts and backup. Tap on this option or any similar option that says accounts. Now you want to tap on the manage accounts option. Here, all of the accounts will be displayed, including your Google account. You simply want to tap on the account which you want to remove. Then here you have the remove account option. All you want to do is tap on that option. Now it's going to say that removing the account will delete all of its messages, contacts and other data from the device. If you are sure that you want to sign out of your Google account on the Android device, go ahead and tap on the remove account option. As soon as you tap on this, that account will be successfully removed from your Android device. Now, if you head over to Gmail or any other Google related apps, you will no longer find this Google account on your Android device. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.